Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my shawarma at home. Most times I don't go out to buy wraps or buy shawarma. I make this at home myself and it's very easy to make. Before we go ahead with the recipe, kindly click on the subscribe button below. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos. If you are yet to like any of my videos, you can go back and watch the other videos I have. I have like 10 videos already up. Please like the videos, share, and also tell your friends about it. Click like and share. Thank you. Let's get to the recipe. So the main ingredients I'm going to be using for my recipe would be my sausage or beef whiners or hot dog. And then I'm going to be using my mixed vegetables, which is usually carrots and cabbage. Sometimes lettuce is also included. And then I'm going to be using my mayonnaise and ketchup to make my Thousand Island. And I'm going to be adding pepper to increase the hotness. And I'm going to also be using diced chicken and beef, which has been pre-grilled and seasoned. And the last item I would be using would be my tortilla wrap. So the first thing I'm starting with would be to grill my sausages in the oven. I'll be grilling these at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. At the end of the 15 minutes, my sausage is all done. So I'll be taking this out from the oven and I will be setting this aside to be used later. So in a frying pan or wok, you're going to add your veggies, your mixed vegetables into the frying pan, which of course is going to be placed on gas stove at low to medium heat. And then in a separate bowl, you're going to mix 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And then you're going to mix this together to form the Thousand Island. And of course, you're going to be adding a little bit of cayenne pepper into this mixture to increase the hotness. If you don't like spicy food, you can skip adding the cayenne pepper. Some other individuals would add Suya spice at this stage instead of cayenne pepper. So depending on your hotness, add as much spice as you want. But I'm going to just be sticking with cayenne pepper for this particular recipe. So once your Thousand Island is properly mixed, add this into the veggies in the frying pan and just mix gently. You can reduce your gas stove now to low heat and gently work the Thousand Island into the veggie mixture. Next, I'll be adding my grilled chicken and beef into the veggie mixture and I'm going to be stirring this gently. So continue to stir till your veggies softens up a little bit. You don't want it to be too soggy and you don't want it to be too crunchy. So that's mid state would be the right stage at which you put off your gas. So the next step will be to get your tortilla wrap. I'm using the whole grain wrap. That's why it's looking so brownish. You're going to place one of the wraps on the board and then you take a second wrap and place on top. I usually prefer to use 2 wraps instead of 1 because I don't want the wraps to get too soggy with the heat that is coming from the mixed veg. So you're going to be laying your veggie and beef mixture on the wrap. You're going to move it to one side of the wrap, just roughly at the tip. You're just going to line it up as I'm doing in the video. And then you'll be placing your hot dog in the middle of the wrap in between the veggies. You can feel free to put as much veggies as you want, but just ensure that you don't overfill the wrap in such a way that it's difficult for you to actually close up the wrap. I'll be using the shorter edge of the wrap to cover the veggie and then I'm going to be rolling this forward till both edges meet. So the next thing would be to transfer our wrap into our grill. I'm using a sandwich maker. You can use any form of grill. You can use a toaster. If you don't have a sandwich maker, you can use an oven. And then I'm going to be covering this and grilling it. You will need to monitor this closely because it can easily get burnt, and then you turn over once one side is properly grilled, and that's the finished product. So you've made your shawarma and you're good to go. No need to buy store-bought or go to a restaurant for this again. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope you've learned one or two things. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please share as much as possible. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.